This is the top 5 most expensive espresso machines in the world. Fifth place, Espresso MVP Hydra 3-group commercial espresso machine, price $29,900, weight 190 pounds. The MVP Hydra espresso machine is a commercial level piece of tech from Espresso that includes 6 program positions for each brewing group, as well as multiple brew modes for any experienced barista. Mark Barnett, who founded Espresso, worked on the water inlet system of the standard espresso machine. He improved it by adding individual motors and liquid pumps to each brewing group so that they could be controlled separately. This means that even in a high volume brewing situation, every group has its own uninterrupted pressure to ensure quality in every cup. Fourth place, Victoria Arduino Black Eagle Gravimetric espresso machine, price $31,225.50, weight 400 pounds. The Black Eagle Gravimetric espresso machine from Victoria Arduino is a precise machine. Its gravimetric technology allows it to measure and extract the weight of the espresso liquid directly into the cup. With full control over every cup, any barista would be empowered behind this commercial quality machine. T3 technology is how this machine gives the barista temperature control, including individual temp and steam levels for each brewing group. Third place, GB5S commercial espresso machine, price $32,990, weight 198 pounds. The GB5 commercial espresso machine by La Marzico is full of the company's advanced proprietary electronics. They give the machine superior temperature stability and control. Second place, EVERSIS Enigma traditional super automatic E6M ST espresso machine, price $46,800, weight 280 pounds. It's a commercial grade espresso machine wide enough for 2 baristas to use the machine at the same time at 84 centimeters wide. The machine can pump out 350 espressos per hour if the baristas are on their game, making it perfect for a commercial coffee shop. The EVERSIS machine comes with many attachments including a creamer nozzle, steam wand with Everfoam, coffee grinder and a 2-gallon fridge by Vitri Frigo. This makes it great not only in a barista setting but also as a self-serve machine. First place, the JavaBot coffee machine, price $1 million. The JavaBot is the machine that is used by a company known as the Roasting Plant. This machine can be found in either Detroit or New York City. This machine is known as the True Coffee Maker. It can do absolutely everything a coffee drink or maker has ever dreamt to do. It will grind and brew instantaneously, providing the consumer with the best and freshest cup of coffee. What is even more impressive than a coffee from $1 million machine is its design. It is a spectacle of its own, with several different storage columns for display of the coffee beans. Many people are often distracted by the design rather than the coffee making process. These are the top 5 most expensive espresso machines in the world. Thank you for spending the time to watch my video. I highly appreciate your feedback. Please write your feedback in the comments below. If you like this video, share this video with your friends and family. As always, I'll see you in the comments below. Thank you for watching.